You look confused. Beach.
What? Over there.
Whoa, what is that? Oh, yo, watch out for jellyfish. Oh, yeah, don't pee on it. Pour vinegar over the wound.
Because you look. Hold on, I took a video. What a dumbass. I was taking a video earlier, okay? Shut up. So we're hanging right here. Oh, we're looking at the water.
How old are you?
Oh, I thought that was ours.
No. I don't know if we have to rent or what.
It's 20 baht for the day.
Okay.
All day. That guy.
Oh, no. น้าเพื่อนเข้ามาแล้วyeah.
Wait, 20 baht each?
Yeah.
What? Yo,
What is that?
it's a
$1.
It is.
Less
Too
than
much.
$1.
20 baht?
like
Yeah, it's like 50 cents.
ตัวละ20 บาทครับแกง20รสชาติ
Yeah. Hey. Neat.
Are you doing a panel too?
I was trying. Oh man. Oh. Oh man, that stupid tree's in the way. Okay, panel round 2. Huh? Yep. Oh, my bad. I walked this way, then you turned around. Yeah, no, his is orange. I'm normal.
Why don't we just drop our bag? Water bomb!
Oh, because I got my GoPro on my bag.
Oh. You gotta hold it.
Holding it like a peasant.
Yep.
Oh my god, did they actually pay this guy?
I don't know.
For a chair? There's plenty of beach. Just take a seat.
I don't know.
Where'd everybody else? Oh, they're there.
เอากี่ตัวลูกเก้าอี้เนี่ยตัวละ20
ตัวละ20
แล้ว
บาท
เดี๋ยวถ้าหิวก็สั่งอาหารได้
โอเคเอาเลย
หนูจะเอากี่ตัวโต๊ะนี้ก็20วางอาหารพอไหมตัวเดียวพอละแล้วเก้าอี้นอนเรากี่ตัวเขาไม่มีใครจะมาจะผัดกันไหมไม่ต้องหมดหรอกเขาเล่นน้ำตัว2ตัวไม่เล่นน้ำเดินกันเฉยๆนั่งมาแป๊บนึงเหรอเอา2ตัวพอไหม2ตัวพอ2ตัว
tonight, so
เพราะเราไม่เล่นน้ำเราก็เดินเฉย
we'll spend some time just
แล้วเราจะไปเล่นที่ไหน
relaxing.
ไปเล่นที่
Okay.
ว่ายน้ำเพราะมันมีน้ำคงกับคุณไม่เล่นที่
There's some flowers to just walk around, sightsee again.
Okay. Alright.
And then just like the viewpoint where we walk out, see, and then come back.
Oh, okay.
Then we'll go straight to water park. We'll spend like maybe 2-3 hours.
Okay.
then we're gonna come home, like change, relax a bit,
Okay.
and then we'll go straight to
Squid fishing tonight?
yeah.
Oh, it's not tomorrow?
No.
Yeah, action-packed day. Holy shit.
Either today or you don't do it at all.
So the one thing I was thinking is if we can get like ponchos or something, or do we get ponchos from the person? Shit, ponchos would be perfect.
Just wear a shirt that you're because I think we have laundry at the
But I don't know if it's squidding stains though.
Yeah, well, you have to wear something that you're not gonna care about.
I brought all my good shit. It's
Well, you
vacation.
gotta sacrifice one shirt.
Or poncho.
Go to 7.
Yeah, maybe we could go to 7-Eleven and see if we find one.
If there's
but
time or whatever. Yeah. Okay, whatever.
it's gonna be really hot with the poncho.
I'll find a black shirt. Yeah, but instead of like staining up my shit, I would sacrifice that. But okay, it's fine. I'll wear like a black t-shirt or something.
Do you have white beater? Maybe you could wear white beater.
I do, but it's also like mosquito o'clock. That's why. But no, it's fine. I'll wear like a black shirt or something.
Are you? Hey, do you wanna go tonight? So
It's our only option, no?
yeah. So what the plan is that we
Do you guys
stay
have the
here for
same
a couple
glasses?
hours. Yeah. Stay here
That's
for a
funny.
couple hours, and after we go to Summer Palace, walk around, which literally just walk around and then come back out.
Yeah.
And then we go to water park for like 3 hours.
That's what I forgot to pack my
Then we're
speaker.
gonna come home, relax a bit, and then go.
You have a phone.
squid fishing.
Blast,
Loud enough.
blast it.
I just wanna. With that?
Okay.
Is that our chair or no? I don't know.
I think one's for Buddy.
Extra.
Oh yeah, Uncle Buddy and
Uncle Buddy.
Tim's mom.
Sit
Yep. I don't think they paid him for the other ones.
I don't think so.
But yeah.
Yeah, no, that's fine. It's fucking like this is the only chance we're gonna have to go squid fishing, so might as well. Yep.
I'm just checking with you guys. 'Cause, like usually after water park, I get like super tired.
Yeah, super hungry.
And then I don't know if you really want to eat before you go squid fishing because it's gonna be a smaller boat. It's not gonna be the boat I showed you. It's gonna be a different boat. Okay, so it might be a little bit more rougher.
I'm fine with that.
So it's fine.
Oh, gravel makes me sleep unless it's in.
It says non-drowsy. It's ginger gravel, so it's a lighter kind of gravel.
Just double up on doses.
She's already booking it, so that's
So we have no choice.
Yeah.
Oh, I could tell her no. It was that.
No, I'm okay with it. Because it's our only chance to do it.
Yeah.
Cam was doing a slow-mo of the waves and I photobombed it. It's the slowest photobomb of life. So you have to see it.
What are those kids doing on that too? They're like rocking each other.
Don't want to get a suntan?
No, I want to get a proper suntan.
Oh, you don't want cam?
Yeah. I don't want weird cameras. Are you really scared of the sun? You could just put sunblock.
I don't know. It's hot and sticky.
If my
Yeah.
closer to the water.
It's cooler
As I
over
was
there.
walking here, it was getting hotter.
Yeah, it's cooler over there.
These shorts are too big for me.
Oh, I'm not carrying my shoes. So I don't want
Holy shit, David has a full backpack on? Oh, that's intense.
Oh, water ski time.
Oh shit, the van's still here, right? Can we just go like bug buddy? At the. Oh, okay.